Client-server model is a distributed application structure that partitions tasks or workloads between the providers of a resource or service called server and service requester called client.
Step 1. Connect all the computers to be networked to a router. Attach one end of an Internet cable to a computer's network card and the other end to the proper connection on the router. Do this for each computer and the server to be networked. Power on the router and all of the computers. Step 2. Open the Server Management program on your Windows server. Do this by clicking Manage your server from the Start menu. Click Add or Remove a role. A new window will open with the Configure Your Server wizard. Click Next. A list of the different functions your server can perform is then displayed. Select Domain Controller or Active Directory and press Next. Click Next again to begin the Active Directory installations. Step 3. Click Next on the installation wizard until reaching the page where you can select the option to specify that you are setting up a domain controller for a new domain. Press Next and then select domain in a new forest. Type a name for your domain. This will be the name of your network. Click Next and a name will be displayed that will be used if your network contains a computer running an older version of Windows. Step 4. Click Next until reaching the step called DNS Registration Diagnostics. Select the option to install and configure the DNS server on this computer, and then set this computer to use this DNS server as its preferred server. Click Next until reaching the screen where you must enter a password for the administrator. Click Next and run the installation. Insert the server installation disk if required. Restart the computer to complete the installation when prompted to. Step 5. Reopen the Manage Your Server program. Click Manage Users and Computers in Active Directory. Add a computer object for each computer in the domain. Add user accounts for each user that will log on as well. Step 6. On each computer in the network, open the System Properties from under Control Panel. Click Change on the Computer Name tab. Click Domain and then enter the name of the domain. Enter a username and password for the domain when permitted. Restart the computer. You can now access the domain and log on to the server.